Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Well, today I want to talk about one of the most pressing issues facing my communities, cost of living. It's no secret that household budgets are under pressure, but that's why addressing inflation and providing targeted and responsible cost of living relief is our #1 priority. Since being elected, we've rolled out substantial targeted cost of living relief measures, putting billions of dollars back into the pockets of Australians who need it most. It's all part of our 10-point plan to address the cost of living pressures in our economy. Let's start with cheaper medicines. The Albanese Labor government has already helped people save thousands of dollars through our cheaper medicines policy. We've dropped the PBS co-payment from $42.50 to $30. This measure alone has already saved local people in the Gilmore electorate over $772,000 in medicine costs on over 69,000 prescriptions. But it's not only that. As of last month, doctors are now able to prescribe 92 of the most common medications listed on the PBS for 60 days. This is twice the medication for the price of a single script. This will save general patients up to $180 per eligible medicine a year. People will also save on unnecessary trips to the doctor. They'll also save on less trips to the pharmacy. Recently, I announced the location for the Medicare Urgent Care Clinic at Batemans Bay. The Urgent Care Clinic will provide free care for urgent but not non-life-threatening injuries. There will also be a Head to Health clinic opening in Moruya for adults and a new Headspace opening in Kiama for young people aged 12 to 25. Both these clinics provide free or low-cost mental health services, further helping with the cost of living. We've also provided more Medicare bulk billing by tripling the bulk billing incentive. Deputy Speaker, energy costs are a concern for many people in my community, which is why we supported and delivered a targeted energy rebate of $500 per eligible household. This means thousands of pensioners, families and carers will receive a one-off $500 payment towards their electricity bills. That's real, targeted relief off people's power bills, which the Coalition voted against. We introduced coal and gas price caps, further easing pressure on energy bills. We've increased the pay for aged care workers. On 30 June this year, aged care workers were given a 15% pay rise. For too long, aged care workers have been one of the lowest paid workers in our economy, yet they have one of the most important jobs, looking after our elderly and vulnerable. This pay rise doesn't only reward them for their hard work they do, but it also helps with the household budget. It's not just aged care workers, though. We're getting wages moving again. We've expanded paid parental leave. We've also boosted income support payments. This includes raising the age pension, veteran service pension, job seeker and youth allowance. That's thousands and thousands of people in my region with more money in their pockets for things families can't do without, like groceries, fuel, energy bills and much more. We've increased rent assistance and we've got a huge agenda of building more affordable and social rental homes. Our cheaper childcare measures provide relief for one of the biggest expenses families have, childcare. When we launched cheaper childcare, I met a local mother, Lisa, who told me that our changes to childcare will mean she doesn't have to choose between being a mum and progressing her career as a healthcare professional on the South Coast. That's fantastic because it makes childcare cheaper, but it also empowers parents to continue to work and support their community. Our fee-free TAFE in skill shortage industries is making a real difference, while also providing cost of living relief. Deputy Speaker, we're delivering real relief where it's needed most, targeting the cost of living pressures that are hitting our communities the hardest. Australia is not immune to global factors which are causing inflationary challenges, but people can be reassured that our combination of budget restraint, the first budget surplus in 15 years, getting inflation under control and targeted cost of living relief is helping put more money back into people's pockets. Our #1 priority is addressing this inflation and cost of living challenge. That's why we have a 10-point plan to address the cost of living pressures in our economy. And I'm working hard every single day to provide the cost of living relief our community deserves.